You like this train track here or not? I don't like it.
I like it.
We need a better one. You see how bad it is? What is the theme for today? What is the theme? Give me a challenge. I got the challenge. Compact. That's the theme.
What does that mean?
Compact. Compact means compact. Everything is close together and it still works. Get it now?
Yes.
Okay, compact. Get going.
Let's get going.
Ah! Oh, that's bad. No, look at this.
This is compact. Goes straight over.
I needed two in. Found a two in.
I'm connecting mine to that.
Okay. No, we're gonna have a track running down here. No, and then where am I connecting to? What am I even meant to be doing? We need another splitter. Oh, we have more.
Yeah, I know that. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh,
This goes straight over 2 bits.
wait, I need sharp turns. This is gonna be a sharp turn corner.
It's gonna be a corner. An order.
Wait, we need to move it a bit. I need to move it a bit that way.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You can move stuff that's not connected to mine. And doesn't touch mine.
Well, there's nothing that doesn't touch yours.
How am I meant to
Sorry,
build an
sorry.
dumb thing?
I can move this without it breaking.
No.
It needs to move, otherwise it's not compact.
It is.
There we go. Oh yes, I found the lottery. Found the lottery ticket. I needed two out. I needed two out. Found a two out.
No, move.
Oh, yeah, that has. Yeah, this is gonna be the two out. Instead of just having it a normal straight, we have a clever idea.
No, moving.
Yeah.
Ah! You're moving everything.
Sorry.
Oh,
Ow! I ran into that barn.
that's how B does. You're touching this.
Where are you connecting? You're connecting this one.
No, that one goes to that one.
But this one is going to this one.
What one's going to what one?
My one is going to that one.
Oh, mine was going to that one.
Wait, yours is gonna Oh, wait. Hang on. Yours is going to this one. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that really will be hard. I don't have many sharp turns left.
I really don't want you to touch.
I won't
mine.
touch it. It won't touch it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. We still have the roundabout.
No.
I'm in a really tight spot.
Okay, I made it. More
It
contact.
doesn't even connect. It does not go in. I'm gonna need to sit on it. Okay. It's
You can see why I needed a sharp turn.
no. You can see why
I needed a sharp turn.
I need a sharp turn. Oh, I'm gonna need another sharp turn. Okay. Do we have another sharp turn though? I think, where's this gonna go? No, that's gotta be a hill. Wait, we need one to hook up to the roundabout. This one's hooking up to the roundabout.
Oh, because that one's gonna go to there.
No, and then this one, yes, one is around. Let's go. One is the res. One is the res. One is the res. Because that not what. Just take that away. This is gonna connect to. So the roundabout's gonna go here, and then we're gonna have lots of areas. So one of those areas is gonna go to here. Okay.
Okay.
So where's the roundabout? don't have any more sharp turns, what am I gonna do? There is just no way.
Hey!
Wait, before you put that in, that's gonna cause a lot of problems. It's all in, okay. There are no sharp turns.
Yeah, bye.
Wait. I could still do it. But if I don't have a hill, I can't do it. Wait, no. I need no way. No, please. Can you wait? Yes, please. Can you swap that for that?
Okay. Right. Can you fix it?
That's actually looking quite good. That's tough. Wait, no, I don't want it to go down yet. Yeah, I can. Oh! So there are no more hills. This is going to be easy. This is really hard. Okay. Now I have my bit. Where did it go? No. That hill that I took out.
I'm done.
You need to add the roundabout. No, you've done it wrong. I found it. Ow. Ugh. Don't move everything. Oh my gosh. This is the city. Yeah, that's perfect. You know how the city is all compact? There's so many roads. Yeah, this is the city. Yeah.
Ah! Build!
I thought there was a spider on me.
And we're back to Road Blocker!
This is so clever. So what happens? So what happens is this goes to here, this goes to here, this goes to here. That is so good. The support beams under the couch. Okay, I'm okay with this. I'm okay with everything. Yes, it gets to the floor. Well, we're gonna need to shift the track back a bit.
No!
Literally gonna crash into the wall. Okay, I'm gonna start the setup. Oh yes. It's good. It's all good. Okay, I'm gonna start tidying up.
How do I curve going down? You fix that.
Why? I thought it was strong.
It's not!
Where did the pigs go? Okay, can you do everything?
No.
I'm tired.
I'm the one who's tired. Wait, guys. Sorry? Oh, there's more trucks over here.
No, but that guy's fixing it, so.
Okay.